Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we will talk about copy text from another sources to the Word document. Sometimes you might find content you want to add to your Word document already exists somewhere else, like in another document or a website. In such cases, you can use the copy and paste, but remember to choose the right paste option. Let's say we want to add content from a website to our document. It's called sales report. We select the text, copy it, and then paste it into this document. So let's proceed. I'm going to press Alt and Tab key from my keyboard. This is shortcut to change your window. Now we are here, and this product description, that's what we want. If you see, the description text format is a bit different from what we are looking in our document. So that doesn't matter. Right click and choose copy from the pop-up menu. And as I said, you can use Control C. The keyboard shortcut also works here, just as it does in the Word. Using Alt Tab, now we can switch back to our Word document, and the cursor there is waiting for us to paste. Instead of right clicking, though, we are going to use the clipboard section here with the Home tab selected. In this section of the ribbon, you will see paste only has two parts. Top half, which is Control V, that's the default paste option. Come to the lower part of the paste and click that. Here we will see the paste options. Clicking this shows the different paste options, and as we hover over them, we can see the real-time preview down below what it would look like if we were to select that option. So hover over the first one, which is keep source formatting. And by the way, this is the default. The formatting that comes from the website would carry it over into our document, and it doesn't really match. So the text looks different. So the next one is handier when working with themes and styles between different documents. Merge formatting is not really what we need to use here. Let's go to the last option. The last option is to keep the text only. In other words, copy the text from the website and leave the formatting. That way, the formatting of our document is automatically applied to the new text. That's what we want. We'll click keep text only, and it's just added like that. If you made a mistake, remember there's a little pop-up down here. The paste option are always accessible until you move on to something else in your document. So if you meant to go back to keep source formatting, you could at this point. But no, we are going to keep the text as is. I hope you liked the video. This will be helpful for many of you. And if you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.